Baking soda is a very commonly used home ingredient for various purposes. It is essential at every home. It keeps your kitchen odor-free and clean. It is used for cleaning greasy objects. It is also an important ingredient for baking. It is quite a multi-talented ingredient in any household. Apart from all the cleaning and cooking, it is an important ingredient in home remedies. It is a cheap beauty product that answers so many beauty problems. Here we will talk about the ability of baking soda for skin whitening. Number 1. Baking soda and honey. Baking soda is very effective in reducing the darkness of the skin. Honey works extremely well in combating with sunburn and protect your skin from the damage of the sun. For making this face pack, take some baking soda and mix it with honey. Mix it well. Then, apply on the skin which is affected. Let it dry for some time, preferably 15 minutes, and then rinse off using water. Apply this 2 times a week to notice better results. Number 2. Baking soda and lemon. The bleaching properties of lemon and baking soda work wonder in lightening your skin. Take 1/2 cup baking soda and mix it with some lemon juice. Mix it well and apply on the affected area. Leave it for a few minutes. Then, wash the affected area using water. Regular application of this mask is very beneficial in lightening your skin. Number 3. Baking soda and strawberry. Baking soda along with strawberry is very effective in eliminating impurities and dirt from your skin. This combination also lightens the complexion of your skin. For this, take 1 strawberries and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix both these ingredients well. Then, apply this paste on the affected area. Gently massage for some time in circular motions. After that, wash using cool water and then pat dry your skin. Number 4. Baking soda and tomato. The combination of baking soda and tomato works amazingly well in giving you instant glow to your skin. To prepare this face pack, firstly squeeze the juice of tomato. Add this juice to the 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix both these ingredients very well. Then, spread evenly on your face and leave it to dry for some time, preferably 15 minutes. After that, wash your face using normal water. This process should be followed on regular basis to enjoy desired results. Number 5. Baking soda and oat flour. The combination of both baking soda and oat flour is very effective in removing dead cells from the skin. Thus, it activates the cells to lighten the skin. To prepare this face pack, take 2 tablespoons oat flour and add it to 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix these ingredients very well. Apply this pack on your face and let this pack dry for some time. Then, wash off your face using normal water.